Hello and welcome to the lecture. Let's look at structure of an HTML page. So let's create a simple HTML page and understand how the structure of an HTML page looks like. For that, you have to open the Bracket software. Then we'll create a folder. You can go to any location you want on your PC or Mac. Create a folder. I'll call it PHP training. And I'm going to call introduction to HTML. Inside this, I'm going to create a folder called as structure of HTML. Okay, so in this we will create the HTML file. So how to create an HTML file? The HTML file extension will be .htm or .html. So for this, you can first will create the parts of HTML and understand what is the tags that we have to write inside HTML, and we'll rename it as parts.html. To open this, you can open your brackets, you can drag and drop, that's one way to do it, or you can open this folder. You can copy this folder, you can say open folder, right, and all the files that you created here will be visible. Okay, you can even go one level up, open folder. So once you do that, you basically get all the folders here. So it's easy to look at the files and the folders. Okay, it's up to you how you want to do it, but we will open this folder introduction to HTML so that we can see all the folders that we create here and all the files that is inside that folder, right? So let's define the parts of an HTML. The first thing that you write in HTML is the doc type. This is your defining your page as an HTML, and HTML actually have a specification. So you are specifying that I'm going to follow this specification in an HTML format. Okay, so that's basically your document type. Okay, and everything, all the tags that you define is already predefined in HTML. So when a browser reads this HTML file, it know what specification to use to render this output. Okay, that's where the doc type comes in. Doc type is telling this document is basically an HTML type. So when a browser renders this, it understands as an HTML, and renders means display it as an HTML format. Okay, so the first tag always in an HTML page should be doc type, and everything that you write inside an HTML should be under the HTML tags. Okay, you should not write anything outside here or anything outside here. Okay, remember that everything should be written inside HTML opening and the closing tags. Okay, so there are two important parts of an HTML. One is the head section and one is the body section. Okay, the two parts here, head section is basically the information about your page. This is the information about your page. Okay, this is the displaying the content on the web browser. So anything that you want to display on the web page or the web browser, you write it under the body. Anything you want to mention about this page, like metadata, like your title and everything you want to mention about your page, you define under head. So whatever you define under head is not visible. Everything that you define inside the body is basically visible on the page. Okay, so remember this structure. This is a structure of an HTML. First thing you mention is a doc type to tell the browser who is rendering this HTML that this is an document type of HTML specification, means you have to render this in HTML. Then you start off with HTML and end with an HTML. You see every opening tag has a closing tag. Okay, and then the main important parts of an HTML is head and body. In head section, whatever you define will not be displayed on the browser. Whatever you want to display on the browser, you write inside the body. Okay, so this is how the structure or parts of an HTML looks like. So let's write some content here and understand how to write an HTML page. So I'm going to create one more page, structure.html. Let's open. You don't have to open this up. I think it will be already visible here. Structure.html. Okay, you can copy paste this and then we'll start over from there. Okay, And remember, you don't write anything outside, you have to mention everything inside the tag. Okay, because I wrote it like that just to show you an example. The most important thing in the head section is basically mentioning about your page. So there is a tag called meta tag, using which you can say what is your character set. Means you're talking about what character set this HTML is using. And obviously if you're using UTF-8, you can mention about UTF-8. And the beauty about meta tag is there is only opening tag and there is no closing tag for meta tags. Okay, that has special meaning. It is describing the char set of your HTML page, and it is mentioned in the head section. Okay, the next section is basically your title. Okay, title is displayed on the browser, right? I'm going to see when you run this, you will see, you can say this has a page title. Okay, you see how I'm writing the tag, opening tag and the closing tag, and I'm writing inside the opening and the closing tag. Okay, that's basically our head section. Head over to the body. So whatever you write inside the body is displayed on the content of the browser. Okay, and there are some tags called h1 which we will learn in the next section. Is called heading. You can say heading here. Then you're gonna write the paragraph here, and you're gonna say this is a paragraph. Okay, it's not, we haven't covered what is heading and paragraph as of now, but look at the structure of the HTML. There's how the structure of an HTML looks like. Okay, so how to run this, how to see an output. There's a button here which says live preview. Just click on this live preview button, say okay, and the Chrome browser will be used to display the live preview of what you're writing it here. Okay, I'm going to minimize it in such a way you can see the output. All right, so whatever you're writing it here will always visible onto your browser. Okay, and it's a live preview, means if you change something here, this is a live, you see it's visible onto the browser as a live preview. You don't have to refresh, you don't have to do. That's the beauty of using the brackets editor. It gives you this live preview where, and it will tell you what you're trying to change. So if I click on heading, you see heading is selected. If I click on paragraph, the paragraph is selected. So you know which tag you're changing. And this is basically the structure of the HTML looks like. And whatever you write under head tag is not actually displayed. The title is not displayed, but the title is displayed onto the browser, not on the content area. Anything that you want to display on the content area, you write under body. Anything you want to describe about this page, you write under head. Okay, so this is how the structure of an HTML looks like, and make sure everything is written under the HTML. Don't write anything outside here, and don't write anything outside here. Okay, remember your HTML should be in this format, having HTML, head, body. These are the three main important parts of an HTML. Okay, so that's about the structure of the HTML. So let's start understanding all these tags of an HTML and start building our website.